Hello, and welcome to a new advent calendar video. Today we're going to look at the Universal Theme app and all its gems it has in there. So keep in mind to quickly go to the Universal Theme reference app, type apex.oracle.com/UT for Universal Theme. And in here, first thing, the reference section. I mean, I guess you know the design and component sections by now, but in the reference section, there are huge gems in my opinion. So first, template directives, getting quick overview about all the template directives for template components. Then we have responsive classes, and these classes you can add to any regions, basically to hide or show specific regions for specific width. So for example, hidden SM down is only visible for medium and large devices. The color and status modifier pages is a quick reference to get CSS classes for all the Universal Theme colors and also for the states. These are very important. If you write an error message, you should use the class uDangerText. And the cool thing is, even if your customer has a different theme style, they will look nice fitted to that style. We also have now opacity classes. These are fairly new. In layout modifier, you have some utility classes to align text or other stuff. Flex is a super useful CSS utility. And also nice are the margin classes. So we can do margin top medium, for example, instead of always adding manual styles. Same goes for padding and width. Text classes are super useful. You can align text, we can transform text between cases, can style them again easily with the class without having to add some styles or CSS. And some super useful stuff is uLine clamp and then the amount of limes. And this means if you add that to any P element, and you can set the max amount of lines it should go through. So if you say uLine clamp 3, if the text would be displayed in more than 3 lines, it would be cut and it will add ... dots. So you always make sure that your text, even if you have longer text in some places, it's not destroying your layout. If you are familiar with CSS variables, we have a video on that. You can also check the CSS variables page. Here you can see all the baseline styles of Universal Theme that you can apply to your own components, for example, or even modifying them to change the look of stuff or like apply them to your stuff to make your own creations look as Apex native as possible. If you also design stuff with HTML and you want an Apex button, check out the button builder. You can use that to create a button that you like, or even check out all the styles, and then in the end copy the markup and paste in your place. Same goes with the icon page. You can get a nice overview of all the icons available, but more interestingly here, you can add the modifiers, for example, scale it, add an animation, and the modifiers are also pretty nice. That's it. Thank you very much for tuning in, and see you tomorrow for another tip.